bearing base plate.
Pour cement onto the steel reinforcement cage to make sturdy pile foundations.
Time to install the seismic isolation bearings. Make sure all the screws are tightened. The foundation is built.
These soft and flexible rubber seismic isolation bearings work to isolate the house from the ground. When an earthquake strikes, the isolation bearings deform to isolate the house from the shaking of the ground and keep the house much safer. Wow, the hospital is built! Oh, we also need to build a helipad. With a helipad, helicopters will be able to send patients to the hospital faster.
Earthquake-resistant buildings and normal buildings will act differently in an earthquake. Slide the button to check it out. Small earthquake. Stay intact in a small earthquake. Medium earthquake. Repairable damages in medium earthquake. Won't collapse in a big earthquake. Great job! Wow! The earthquake-resistant building you built is so sturdy! Amazing! Keep going!
The government has increased the seismic fortification criteria. Now we need to strengthen the school building's earthquake-resistant capability. Let's set up the temporary fencing for the construction site first. Safety is the priority in the construction site. Place the safety signs here.
Turn the knob to move the aerial work platform up.
The school building is reinforced. Great! Buildings with seismic strengthening and buildings without seismic strengthening will act differently in an earthquake.
Small earthquake. Stay intact in a small earthquake. Medium earthquake. Repairable damages in medium earthquake. Big earthquake. Won't collapse in a big earthquake. Great job! Wow! The earthquake-resistant building you built is so sturdy! Amazing! Keep going! Here are some bent rebar. Use this machine to straighten the rebar first. Let's make a core tube shear wall first. Pour the concrete onto the floor now.
Spread the concrete even.
The floor is done. It looks nice. The mall still lacks shiny signboards. Wow, it's such a gorgeous mall. Good job.
Buildings with seismic strengthening and buildings without seismic strengthening will act differently in an earthquake. Small earthquake. Stay intact in a small earthquake. Medium earthquake. Repairable damages in medium earthquake. Big earthquake. Won't collapse in a big earthquake.
Great job! Wow! The earthquake-resistant building you built is so sturdy! Amazing! Keep going! We're going to build a bridge here. However, the underwater foundation is very soft. We must reinforce it first. Now we need to install seismic isolating bearings in between the piers and the deck.
Now let's build the deck.
deck and the columns with wire cable so that the bridge will be sturdier. The bridge is built! What a pretty bridge!
Is the bridge we built sturdy enough during earthquake? Let's check it out. Small earthquake. Stay intact in a small earthquake. Medium earthquake. Repairable damages in medium earthquake. Big earthquake. Won't collapse in a big earthquake. Great job!
Wow! The earthquake-resistant building we built is so sturdy! Amazing! Keep going!
Subscribe.